Some advice to the younger generation. Give some advice to the younger generation.
Go to school, take in your lesson, and don't be a sodomite nor a
And just say when you're going to the supermarket, your basket are going to be XYZ. And when you're going to the supermarket, 5 items only can buy with one money. When the one money, you also give it 4 items. So we are living.
What? I know you're enjoying the video, so like it, leave a comment, share it, subscribe. Bless.
Saying to myself, since God love me so, that's if me take me 1,000 give to you, Johnny, and me go around the corner, God will prepare another 10,000 for me. Why him not prepare one for you? Where you do make God hate you so?
Well, that's a valid question, and Ninja Man, I believe, have the perfect answer.
It's not all about having everything for yourself. You hear some people tell us that God help those that help themselves. Them is the wickedest liar in the world. Why me can't help myself and God will help me? God not don't help me if he help myself already.
Right. Yeah.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
Okay. Oh,
fix up the doctrine.
Right.
Say it again, so get it right.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
At you. Right.
All right.
Were to go on a date for the first time, where would you bring me?
Me there. Me, when I'm bring it, in my house, from my mattress, now a double mattress.
No fancy restaurant, no fancy salad.
No, I'm by Kentucky. I'm no. Anyone cream. Everything like in there now. Everything like in the house.
No, you
Where my mattress is a hotel. I want a hotel to buy Kentucky. That's your car. I want to buy cream in it. Cream and Kentucky. Where is Kentucky? No Kentucky. Island Grill.
I'm tired of Kentucky.
Island Grill. Beja. No man, a night. A night I come down at 6 o'clock. No, I want the hotel money because we not rich. I want the money from the hotel they can pay. I want it. I want it all of beer. You know what you can eat? Even Chinese shaw, man. No, I want that to say. Giraffes.
Yo, this character Jerry, a real funny man, you know. A real comedian. Me not tell you lie, me enjoy watching him. A drama man. Yeah, man. So, is this cock a chase puss or puss a run from cock?
Fellas, don't give them girls no 69. Don't give them no 69. When them girls get 69, they just forget that you cock and balls need suck up. You understand? All they're doing is winding up on your fucking mouth and they stop paying attention to you dick and you balls. They're just whining. All they're saying is, oh, yeah, baby, right. And all this wasting time, you cock can get sucked on to now. Put them on another fucking position so that you could get your cock sucked too. Y'all don't waste fucking time with them girls out there. Don't let it trick you out, but 69, it's fucking 69. They forget about you and your fucking balls.
Somebody need to come get them auntie. Auntie's acting up. Somebody need to come get them auntie.
Bumbuckler, look at me ex them man. Pussy clot. They sit down and wait for me downfall, you know. But not happen.
I think your ex is up there too. So come on, let's get around and celebrate our exes. The drunk crows.
40 men in one day.
That was my birthday present for myself.
I'm surprised you could walk after that.
A bit of a sore back, but no, it's fine.
And did you afterwards think, you know, what am I doing?
No. I had the most fantastic day. Afterwards, me and husband sat there then, having a drink all night.
Did she just say husband? What the 40 men in one day for your 40th birthday? I would hope you collected $1,000 a piece. Husband? He's a... Yo, there's never a dull moment in Jamaica. Back it up on the dumper truck. Turn round for the... Hey!